40 years after the Bhopal gas tragedy, 377 tons of toxic waste is finally being removed from the Union Carbide factory for disposal. The waste, which is being transported in 12 sealed trucks, will be taken to Pithampur in Dhar district, 250 kilometers away from Bhopal. The trucks set off on a non stop journey late Wednesday night, with a green corridor created for them to reach their destination in about 7 hours. The hazardous waste has been packed and loaded over the past few days by a team of workers who were given health checks and breaks during the process. The Bhopal Gas Tragedy Relief and Rehabilitation Department is overseeing the operation. The toxic methyl isocyanate gas from Union Carbide's factory killed over 5,400 people and caused long lasting health issues for thousands in 1984, making it one of the world's worst industrial disasters. The Madhya Pradesh High Court had recently criticized authorities for delays in clearing the sites, setting a 4-week deadline for the waste removal. After being incinerated, the waste residue will be carefully tested to ensure no harmful elements remain. Any ash that's left will be sealed and buried to prevent contamination of the soil and water. Officials have assured that safety measures have been taken. The process is under the supervision of environmental experts to ensure no harm to the surrounding area.